peeps. So I want to show you guys my $1,000 bike. So 3, 2, 1. So I got a haircut because I want waves. You can tell. So I'll show you my bike. Here's my $1,000 bike. You could tell by the wheels, by the thing, whatever that thing's called, by the pedals, by the bike seat, by this, of course, also by this. The handlebars, the specialist part. See, look. That's the specialist part. And that's it. And so, me and my cousin are here at my thanks.